Hey everyone, today we're playing with BeBella Cosmetics Basic Beaus eyeshadow palette. Check out my review for swatches. I'm really loving this color selection, so let's do this. This Wet n Wild concealer has been one of my go-to eye bases. It's not too oily or too dry to feel uncomfortable on the lids. I like to apply some with the applicator, then smooth it out with a flat brush. I'm also doing my eye makeup before the rest of my makeup, so I put down some tape to create sharper edges. In general, I do my eye makeup first. What order do you guys do your makeup in? I'm setting down the area from my crease up with a flat matte shade. This helps with future blending. We'll be working colors into the crease first, then do a cut crease. I'm still learning, so it's not super intense, but I like how it turned out. This shade is a pale yellow orange. It's perfect under the brow and as a first building color. As we move deeper into the crease, we'll gradually deepen the shades, which you'll see. I love how these oranges blend together, but they still have their own distinct color to them. With a smaller, more detailed brush, we're deepening the outer corner. No need to be super precise because we'll end up covering some of it up with the concealer, and the tape helps as well. Then it's all about going back in and touching up. I'm grabbing small amounts of the shades that we put in the crease and using them to further blend. Then to create a more intense red tone, I grabbed a different shade to add to the outer corner and blend into the crease. Back into the same concealer, I attempted to carve out my lid. Like I said, I'm still learning. I have a crease on my eyelids that makes this technique a bit more challenging, but in order to make my lid space look larger, I bring the concealer higher. Do this with a flat, stiff brush. Then back in with that first shade to set the concealer. I like using a bigger brush for this step because it makes it a quicker process. The green shade is what actually inspired this look. I'm in love with it. I took another flat brush, this one is from Wet n Wild, and smoothed the shadow across where I placed the concealer. You can also dampen the shadow to make it more intense. For the inner corner and brow bone highlight, I mixed 2 shades. I didn't want it to be too gold and outshine the green, so I took a cooler shade, then added in a pinch of gold on top. I love mixing shadows to create that perfect shade. You can't really tell from the video, but this Natasha Denona Duochrome top coat added an extra touch of shine to the look, and this shade Burnt Terracotta Green is gorgeous. These are super cool. Now for liner, I grabbed Tarte's Tartist Clay Paint Liner. You can totally use a liquid or a pencil liner as well. I think the brush that comes with this product is awesome, so I'm using that one. I create a line across the top of my lashes, then work on the wing, like always. The tape makes this an easier process. To make sure that the liner doesn't budge, take a small slanted brush and press some of the black shadow on top. This is one of my favorite tricks. After removing the tape, I put on my face makeup and one false lash before starting on the lower lash line. If you've been watching me for a while, you'll know that I love this Ardency Inn eyeliner. It's super dark, smudges out well, it's amazing. Under the liner, from the outer to inner corners, I applied one of the mid-tone orange shades with a flat-topped brush. This brings some warmth to the lower lashes. Then to the outer corner with the same brush, I added in that warm orangey red. My camera stopped recording for a few seconds, but I also touched up the inner corner with those highlighting shades. For the mascara, I grabbed a sample size of the Tarte Maneater mascara and applied it before adding on the other Ardell Wispy Lash. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone.